Here we go, guys. I'm back once again with one more website that's gonna change your life forever. Okay, that's a bit of exaggeration. It might not change your life forever, but yes, this website can definitely help you. Okay, it's called looka.com. Looka.com. Here it is, the first one. Okay, now what this website does is that it makes logos for you. So if you're looking to make a logo for your business, or if you are looking to start a side hustle wherein you can make logos for people, then it's very simple. Come to this website, put in the information that you have, that you're looking to make a logo for yourself or for others as a side hustle. Boom, and it gives you a logo just like that. Okay, we're gonna do one quick run here and see how it goes. Okay, now this one, let me put in here, get started. It's asking you to pick your industry. Okay, it is clothing industry. Continue. Now it's showing some logo samples, so scroll down, see what you like for yourself. If you're looking for a client, then you might have to give them multiple options here, so you can convince them that you can choose one of these logos. You know how it works. It's fine, I'll choose this one. Continue. It's asking you to pick some colors you like. Okay, like whatever the theme of their website is, or whatever they have chosen. Okay, for the logo you can choose those colors here if you find in here. Okay, now I'm gonna choose here pink. Continue. Slogan, I don't know, but I'll just put in this one. It's asking you to come enter the company name and the slogan. I'm gonna put this one. Okay, continue. Select symbols. Fine. Now it's asking you to pick up symbols, 5 symbols basically. See, like house, tree, technology, fashion, food, whatever. So whatever is relatable, you select that. Mine is this one. Okay, I've chosen one. Let's see what options it's giving in here. Okay, that's nice. I can pick symbols from here. Mine is clothing, so I'll stick to this one. Since this is just a test run, I will quickly do it for you to show you how it actually works. Right now we have also, this is related to shopping. Let me choose this one. Okay, and then I'll just choose multiple ones. Shop again. And this is the final one. Okay, continue. See, they have generated some logos now for me, or for us. We are all in this together, guys. Okay, I think like this is amazing. Just put in the details and you get the logo. You should seriously do it as a side hustle, guys. Okay, it's very easy. You can easily convince people. It's just asking you to sign up. Of course you should sign up. Such an amazing website. I'm just continuing as a guest, since we are making this video for information purposes. Load more logos even. Come on, guys. Okay, this is amazing website again. All right, you should try this as a side hustle if you're looking for any kind of side hustle right now. Okay, uh, fine, guys, that will be all for today, and I'll get back to you guys very soon with something new. All right, cheers, have a great day.